Our problem is we cannot run C++ 17 code on Mac directly. If we want to run C++ code on VS Code, an example, first we need to set up VS Code. We have necessary instruction to set up this environment. The link will be in the description. Then follow the necessary steps, but still we have a problem. Like, I followed the instruction, and let's create a file and let's try to run this code. Open terminal, then create a file and open it on VS Code. Let's paste it, and if we try to run it, then you will see errors. Now write this and last your file name. My file name is test.cpp, as you can see. Now run it. You can see there a.out file is created. Now let's run this a.out file, and you can see now this is running. So with this you can run C++17 code. Try this and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.